In this video, we are going to see how we can delete the images that we have generated in the ChatGPT. So if you have generated multiple images in different chat sessions, here's how you can find it and then delete it in ChatGPT. All you have to do is just click on the More button on the top, and from here you can access the images and you can create the images directly from here. And down here, whatever images you have created in ChatGPT, it will all stand here. So if you want to delete them, so what we can do is just open that up and click on the three dots and click on open in chat. So basically this will be very convenient if you don't know in which chat sessions it contains a specific image that we want to delete. Click on open in chat and there we go. We have this chat open right here and we have this image. And from here, we will click on the three dots on the top and we hit delete. So basically this will delete all the chat and the images from that specific chat. And now it no longer shows in the images. So that is how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in the next one.